Hey, this is Janika bringing you more experience of travels. This is going to be a video about my trip in Seville, Spain. It is a throwback of last November, but I'm ready to share this with you, so keep watching till the end. Hello, hi, hola, I'm Janika. Today is the 9th November, my 26th birthday, and I decided to spend 2 days in Spain. Here it's from Seville in Spain, from the Plaza de España, one of the most attractive attractions in here. I will show you my top places that I visited in Seville during these 2 days. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as I enjoyed my stay here in Seville. And don't forget to put a thumbs up if you like this video and comment below what do you think of the attractions in Seville. What other attractions have you visited if you did? And don't forget to follow my blog for travel tips and my Facebook page. Thank you. Bye-bye. For next time. Bye. And that's not the end. I want to share with you a story that happened to me in Spain, but I want to leave this for another video. So stay tuned for next week. Bye-bye.